Hey, YouTube.
Hey,
What is up? Sorry.
guys.
So,
We bought
these
these rock
rock
stars.
stars,
We're trying them.
they're blueberry. I think they're pretty good. Okay, when you...
Car at the post office. Sorry.
Holy, you scared me. Okay, when
So-
you do this, go like... No, not that, sorry. Do that, and it tastes really good.
Okay. That does taste good. Yeah, so we got these.
You know what my favorite part about this is?
What?
The pink.
I know.
That's a sick pink. If
I
I
like.
have that on my scooter, I would kill for that.
I honestly like the cherry ones better than these. Comment your favorite one if you drink them.
Favorite rock star. Trying every one that we have in our small town store.
We've tried 3 out of 5.
Yeah, this is number 3.
Yeah.
And then there is a huge selection of monsters, so comment down below if you guys want us to.
Or which one
Yeah.
your favorite is if you drink Monster.
And if you want to recommend any energy drinks to us.
Yeah, we
please
have
do that.
some in the store.
Yeah.
Not a lot though. And we also have Tempo too. We might have some.
We can always go to
Mm-hmm.
Brandon.
Yeah.
Well, Nisa the co-op at school.
So what we're going to be doing in this video is we're going to be cooking supper because we haven't ate supper and it's like, what time is it? I don't know what time it is. It's 20 to 6.
So,
So
5:40.
we're going to wait. I got to clean my room. He's sleeping over tonight. We're going to do another video of like melting a bunch of cool stuff. Shh. But I'm not going to tell him what stuff. Yeah, so
This video will be out tomorrow. And then the melting video, I'm not sure when it'll be out. But we have another video that I still have to edit.
yeah,
And it'll be out for you guys tonight.
you'll like it. It's cool.
It's in the ring.
We introduced someone new in the video, so
Yeah.
he made a YouTube video, but we don't know what his channel is. It was Roblox,
When he was little.
but it's not that Justin kid.
Okay, guys. Should we make a time lapse of us cooking? I think that'd be really cool. Like, no, like,
Or we could do a time lapse of me cleaning my room.
okay.
Yeah.
We should eat before we clean your room.
Yeah, we should.
Okay, we're gonna do time lapse cooking. And then we'll do, we'll do some, I don't know what we're gonna do. Oh, this is a good song. You might get copyrighted.
I might get copyright, but should I turn it up?
Guys, this is a great song. Okay, turn it down.
Copyright.
Copyright, don't want that.
So, yeah, we're gonna cook some craft dinner and hot dogs because don't want to burn the house down.
I'm gonna start editing the other video.
Yeah.
You know what? If you just clean your room now, and then we eat after, I can edit the other video while you
Yeah,
clean your
you edit out here while I clean my room.
Yeah.
And then,
Is it still
these-
recording, I wonder?
yeah, it's recording.
Good.
My dogs and cats have already been fed, so we don't really have any chores to do.
Odin!
Yeah, let's introduce my dogs.
Don't pick up the phone.
I'm gonna pick up the dog.
Odin!
Get over here.
So this is Odin.
He's a bulldog. His name's Odin. I don't know why. He's cute. He snores a lot. Shakes the ground. I got 4 cats, so I'm gonna try to get the ones that are up here.
Odin.
I'll get my dog, my little princess. Don't knock the table over. Come here.
Abby!
Abby, you get to go on the couch for the first time. Just be quiet.
So this is Abby. What kind of dog?
Cute one.
is she?
You can see her on my Instagram. She's a Jack Russell. I think she's 4 or 5. And Odin's 4 or 5. I'll go get the 10-year-old cat.
Get Chai.
He's 10.
Holy.
Isn't that crazy? He's 10. He's like fitter than everyone in his house.
Wait, that cat's 10.
Yeah, this cat's dead.
That's orange.
56 in cat years.
Oh!
Get away, you dog.
You don't look tan, kitty.
This dog likes to fight this cat. So I'm
No!
just
Odin!
gonna... Odin, get. Who wants a treat? Come on, treat. Yeah, I got it. See it? See it? Come here. Go get it.
They didn't fall for that.
Outside, Odin, go. You need to go outside. Just for like 5 minutes.
Zach, your carpet's in the door.
Now try. This is him. He does not like being carried. Ah! He does not like being carried. He's 10 years old. And yeah, I'll go try and find the other ones. I know they're up here.
Isn't the fat one Lucky then?
Yeah, that one's lucky.
Is that Lucky there?
No, this is trouble.
Well, they're both there.
Oh! Hey, buddy. This is my cat.
Where's Bug Eyes?
This is the mom of the other one that's going to be brought out here soon. She's cute. Just don't let the dogs in. Here, you can go free. You got Bug Eyes? Her name is Tiny. We just call her Bug Eyes because she's crazy and she doesn't like being around anyone.
Bug Eyes. I don't want to pick her up.
I'll pick her up.
No, now you leave it. Where's Lucky? Oh, you big kid.
So, this is the daughter of that cat we just brought out, Bug Eyes. I'll show you her eyes because she's got bug eyes. Looks like she's been drinking a lot of Rockstar. You want some, kitty? Dab. Okay, I'll go get big Hef. We might have to bring the camera over there because he does not like being carried. And he's really fat.
No problem.
Okay.
We need some
So
Lucky.
this is my beautiful house. Let me turn on the light here.
Hey! No!
So, kitchen. And Lucky.
Lucky is the big ginger
Hey,
cat.
look. Yeah, this is him. He's cute. So this is our beautiful stove that we're gonna be cooking on. Yeah.
Fry some KD and maybe melt some stuff.
This is 8 minutes, so we should stop it soon. That way we can get to cooking. Or not
Make a
cooking.
time lapse of us cooking.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, we're gonna make a time lapse. We will be back in about 30 seconds. No, just kidding, like 5 seconds and 1 second. Bye. What's up, YouTube? Zach's filming for once. Just want to set one thing straight here. I pretty much film all the time. I edit the videos. I upload the videos. That's what we're doing right now. Uploading the ranked video. That's a weird angle. So, what should we name the ranked video, Zach?
Introducing.
Playing puck.
Yeah, playing puck. So, we're gonna be cooking some
In our next video.
craft dinner and hot dogs in our next video. Yeah.
Guys, we're making 3 videos today.
Yep. We still have.
Yeet.
We made half of our, our first one, kind of. Second one, I mean. And we're not gonna tell you. And this is also part of the second one. And the third one is a surprise. That melting part, which won't be up for a couple days, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, it'll be up in 2 days.
This video that we're recording right now is gonna be up tomorrow.
Maybe. Well, what time is it?
It's 6:34. I'll upload it at tomorrow.
No, we should upload it tonight.
No, because I don't want to upload 2 videos today. That's just too much.
I thought we were uploading this one today, though.
No, we're uploading this one, then that one tomorrow, then the melting one the next day.
Okay. Okay, so the water's boiling.
Tags is gonna be Kurt. Okay. That's a tag. Kurt's a tag. Brandon. That's a tag. And Zach.
Okay, I got the camera set up for when we cook.
We're gonna make a time lapse though.
We are? Okay, well the water's boiling pretty darn good.
Okay, we'll put the craft dinner in. Is it in it?
No. I still haven't cut up the hot dogs.
Okay, you're weird.
Why? Why am I
No
weird?
shit.
Chef Ramsay.
What? That was weird.
So should I stop it till we go to the time lapse? That we don't make this video like.
Yeah, because this video is
20
extremely
minutes.
long, guys.
Yeah.
So, we are going to... Can I see this for a second? Thanks. So, Zach's over there. Chef Zach. Cooking. Just puts his hand in boiling water. Video.
I'm gonna
Is that
start
loading?
cutting the dogs.
It's at 5% now. Just turned 5%. Okay, Zach's gonna cut up the hot dogs. And then we're gonna cook some KD.
We're gonna get copyright because I sound just like the actual singer. So
Okay, ready?
no.
man.
Look up there. Look up there.
Oh, that was not landing. No.
One more for the win.
For
With
the
our
win.
rock stars in the background.
I'm just kidding. Okay, guys.
No.
This video is already gonna be extremely long.
Okay, so
So,
gotta
yeah.
stop cooking.
Guard stops cooking. We're gonna make time lapse. Peace out, guys. Cover the camera with the craft dinner.
Peace out, guys.
Oh, with the rock star. Yeah. Oh.
Oh, don't cut into the little bag thing that's in there with the cheese in it.
Oh shoot. Guys, this is the stupidest way to cut open something completely. Or craft dinner. Don't do that.
Oh no.
Did I get the bag? Just a bit.
Okay, well,
I
we're gonna put a nice slow-mo clip in for you. Look at this.
Okay, I cut the bag open. Shoot. Okay, guys, water's boiling. Gotta put the slow-mo clip in. Okay, slow-mo clip. See you guys. Oh, the camera's fine. Eat that, Snowden! Eat it! Eat it! Eat it. Eat that snow. Oh, yeah. Hey, mister!